Good morning and welcome to Running in Circles with Heidi Gammill, aka Nez Pretty. It's 41 degrees in Florida, but I figured I'd be brave and come out here and do my little warm-up with you. So Running in Circles is all about reaching toward your goals one step at a time, whether your goal be exercising or something else. And I just want to talk a little bit about habit stacking and how that can take the decision making out of trying to add something new to your routine. And so perhaps you could take something that you love, something that you enjoy and look forward to, and stack that on top of your goal. So, for instance, if you want to get more weightlifting into your routine, into your life, and you always love to watch this certain TV show, then tell yourself, if you want to watch that TV show, then you have to do some lifting weights during commercials. I mean, it's a very simple, easy way to add something into your routine. Of course, I love to add anything to brushing my teeth because that's a no-brainer. It's something I do twice a day without thinking about. So I do some leg lifts. Some other people have said, oh, they love to do squats while they brush their teeth. I don't recommend making your bed while you're brushing your teeth. But we can definitely add a little bit of movement while we're doing it. So those are just a couple of examples of how you can habit stack to help you reach your goals. And so, good morning. Morning. Wow, it's actually really beautiful out here. The sun is shining and it's crisp. So that's just actually a little concept that I teach in the How to Elevate Your Self-Care Beauty Routine. Any habit that you're trying to elevate, you can use this strategy to help you to move forward. And sometimes it's just sitting down and strategizing and thinking, how can I add this seamlessly into my routine so that it doesn't cause all kinds of mental drama. And sometimes it's just a matter of making a decision once and going for it. When I was getting dressed to come out here this morning, I thought I was crazy because it's really quite chilly. And it just reminded me of all the times that people have thought I was crazy working towards a goal. But when you make the decision and you decide that you're going to do something, it doesn't matter what anybody else says. It doesn't even matter what your own brain says and how crazy it is. You just do it. And so that's really the power behind making a decision once. And habit stacking is a way that you can do that seamlessly. So I highly encourage you to try it out, do some brainstorming, and see how you can add whatever it is that you're reaching for, whatever your goal is. How can you add just a little step towards it? And if you stack it with something else, it may just help you to reach out toward that. So let's say you have a cup of tea 3 times a day, morning, noon, and night, and your goal is to write a letter to a friend. So you could say, I'm going to write a letter during my afternoon tea. That's an idea. There's a million things that you could do, and it's just a matter of brainstorming, which is one of my favorite things to do. I love to make lists and I love to brainstorm. So this is Heidi with Nez Pretty, encouraging you to move toward your goals one step at a time, even if it's crazy, even if it's cold. Make the decision once and just go for it. And that's all I have for you. If you have not checked out the 14-day self-love challenge, then that link is in my bio. It's just a little encouragement for 14 days to encourage you to take really good care of yourself. If you don't do it, no one's going to do it for you. Judah was not going to go on this walk for me. No, sirree. Also, if you want to check out the How to Elevate Your Self-Care Beauty Routine, it's half off this month with promo code NestPretty. So check it out. Elevate your self-care, habit stack, reach toward your goals, smile, and have a fantastic day. Bye.